How to start dropshipping in Qatar. Launch your online store in Qatar and become a 100% owner of a profitable business. If you are one who dreams of a profitable business which has international customers, you are at the right place. In this video, I'll explain you how you can start your dropshipping business in Qatar step by step. There will be 5 steps in this video. Number 1, where to create an online store. Number 2, how to find the best product. Number 3, who can be the suppliers. Number 4, where can you market your products. Number 5, how can you make attractive ads. Let's first discuss about what is dropshipping. Dropshipping in simple terms is you set up an online store and you sell a product that isn't in your possession. So you get your order from your customers through your website, then you place an order to the supplier, who can be a manufacturer or a wholesaler or another retailer. So basically the original supplier of the product and your supplier is going to deliver the product to the customer directly. So you are basically acting as a middleman or a reseller. You are not buying the product physically, you are not having an inventory, you don't have a warehouse where you keep your products. It's just acting as a middleman or a reseller. You sell the products online, and once you get the orders from your customers, you place an order to the supplier who is gonna deliver the products to the customers directly. So in simple terms, this is dropshipping business. I hope this concept of dropshipping is very much clear to you if you were new to this concept. Many people want to know that is dropshipping business legal in Qatar? The answer is yes. Dropshipping business is legal as far as you are selling online to legitimate supplier. You are just working as a middleman or acting as a reseller. Here I will talk about how you can create your online store using Shopify platform. If you want to know more about dropshipping through AliExpress, please mention it in the comment box. Let's talk why use Shopify. First of all, it's very user-friendly. If you are a new user-friendly feature is the highlight of the Shopify. Their website is easy to navigate. When the site is easy to navigate, you can explore and learn more about the features of the website. Good for starting up for less experienced. Shopify is flexible and Shopify allows unlimited products. There is no restriction on the number of products you can sell in a Shopify store. If we talk about the negative side of this platform, it is very expensive for starting up. Their basic plan starts with $29 per month. First, you will be required to get registered on Shopify website. Shopify gives you 14 days trial and asks you for payment details. For payments, you can use either debit card or credit card or any other card that you prefer. You can try the 14 days trial for this platform. Link is in the description. Next step is design your store on Shopify website. The store should look professional. You should have a nice logo and a perfect color and theme to match your products. Add a clear and detailed policy for customers which clearly states delivery policy, fund policy and exchange policy. You have to make this section perfect like as retailers mostly have. If you want to watch more videos on Shopify or dropshipping, please mention in the comment box and stay tuned to this channel. Step 3. You have to find such products that can bring you lots of profit. Now, how and where to find such products? I'll outline 3 criteria for selecting a winning product. A product should have these 3 qualities, at least. It is a general marketing tactic whenever choosing a product. First and foremost, it must solve a problem. You have to hit the problem of the people. Your target should be problem solving. Second, it must have an OMG factor. If the product is common and doesn't have that wow factor, why anybody will buy it online? Number 3 is the product should be difficult to come by in a physical store. If the product is readily available in market around people, then no need to buy online and wait for delivery. You can use Facebook to search for the product that are having demands in certain markets, especially in Qatar. Another method is searching other online stores in Qatar. Find a product in online stores that has multiple orders, but the product should have orders less than 1000, because if the product has more than 1000 orders, it means the product is saturated, it's already circulating in the market. So you don't need to select such products. Or you can use Instagram, Facebook, AliExpress or Amazon ads. If you click on ad that suits your interest, The rest of the work will be done by these social media sites. They will keep showing you similar products. Sooner you will be hit by your desired product. Also explore AliExpress and Amazon for product search. Here I would like to share one tip. Don't go for 6 months old products if you are new in dropshipping business, because these products are likely to be circulating in the market through a dropshipper who is already established in the industry. So better to look for new exciting products. Other option is, if you don't have money issues, you can have your store ready with products. You can find such people on Fiverr who will do this work for you. This service range from $80 to $350. You can find a good service provider anywhere in between. Now you have to find a supplier. This supplier can be an online store either in Qatar or anywhere in the world selling these products. Why I am saying Qatar? If the supplier is in Qatar, the delivery time will be short. If delivery time is not the problem, you can check on AliExpress as well. You can directly email the supplier and ask for the pricing. Make sure that they give you a good deal so you can mark up your profit margin. Ask the supplier for a wholesale price. Make sure the supplier has a large quantity of stock so you can scale up in the future. Also ask the supplier if they support cash on delivery in Qatar, because people in Qatar like and trust in cash on delivery. Let us now discuss marketing strategy, because any business that is not marketed well itself is doomed to fail. You can use Facebook ads, Instagram ads, and YouTube ads to target the audience. You will be required to set up your Facebook page, Instagram business page, where you will mention product details and ads for your products. If you don't want to play paid ads, Instagram account and a Facebook would be enough if you manage to reach your target audience. However, paid ads will give you better and instant results. Now, how will you make a professional ad? First, watch the video of ads related to your products. You can use Canva. Here you can make free short videos. The already made ads of the products which you have seen, you can customize those ads according to your own product. Ad making is also very tactful. You have to highlight all the 3 factors that you kept in mind while choosing the product: problem solving, wow factor, and the non-availability of the product in local market. Also, don't forget to highlight the benefits of your product. Let's just summarize the plan to start dropshipping in Qatar. First, prepare social media, which is Facebook and Instagram. You should have a solid presence on social media. Next is Shopify store or the e-commerce store. Third, prepare the supplier that supports cash on delivery. Fourth, prepare ads or videos of the products. When the Shopify store is ready, launch the first video of the product. Post it on all social media, and most importantly, run paid ads. And also attach the links and buttons that will redirect the interested audience to the website. Once the audience is landed to your website, they can now see the product page with complete details of your product's offer. If they purchase the product, you will get notified on your Shopify app or in your email. Your store automatically sends the orders to your dropshipping supplier. Your dropshipping supplier prepares your customer's order and ships the order directly to your customer. Supplier will collect the payment through cash on delivery. When everything is done, the supplier will send you complete report of the successful deliveries, or if any orders are pending, or any order is cancelled or returned. Supplier will give you your profit either via cash or bank transfer. Here now you can have an agreement between you and the supplier that whether the payouts are weekly or monthly. So this is all for today's video. If you do enjoy watching this video, let me know in the comment section below. Don't forget to hit the like button. It will help the channel a little, and make sure to subscribe for a future video. Thank you. Take care.
Call it spring, like everything is new. Call it spring, like everything is new.